Hello, I'm Jennifer Forkish, Public Information Director for the Los Angeles Police Department. This critical incident community briefing is intended to provide you with information about a critical incident that occurred in the city of Los Angeles. You're about to see relevant video footage and learn about other evidence and police procedures related to the case, so you can have a better understanding of what occurred, based on what we know right now. The LAPD conducts very thorough use of force investigations, which typically require investigators to interview multiple witnesses, view numerous hours of video footage, and analyze a significant amount of forensic evidence. We are still at the very early stages of this investigation, which can often take up to a year to complete, and our understanding of the incident may change as this additional evidence is collected, analyzed, and reviewed. We also do not draw any conclusions about whether the officers acted consistent with our policies and the law until all the facts are known and the investigation is complete. A word of caution. The images and information you are about to see may be disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised, especially for young children and sensitive viewers.
Hello, I'm Lieutenant Bruce Koss of the Los Angeles Police Department Media Relations Division. I'm going to provide you a brief overview of an officer-involved shooting that occurred in Olympic Division on June 5, 2025 at around 9:17 a.m. Olympic Patrol Division officers responded to a radio call for a possible assault with a deadly weapon, a suspect there now, at the intersection of Western Avenue and Washington Boulevard. The comments of the call described a male white transient pointing what appeared to be a sawed-off shotgun. Here's the 911 call and corresponding radio broadcast.
LA City 911 operator 521.
Hi, yeah, I have a transient pointing what looks like a gun right here, heading towards the 10 West on, he's on Western and Washington, right across the street from the McDonald's. He's pointing at cars. It looks like a gun. It was a gun, right? Yeah.
And description of him?
White male with long hair.
What color clothing?
No, he was white.
Yeah. What color clothing?
Sorry?
What color clothing?
He was wearing a black shirt with jeans.
Black shirt, blue jeans. Do you know what kind of weapon? What kind of gun?
It's like a mini shotgun.
Like a sawed-off shotgun or something.
Okay. Your name and phone number?
My name is and my phone number is.
How do you spell your first name, ma'am? Okay. Listen, officers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Olympic units, ADW suspect, Western and Washington. Possible ADW suspect, Western and Washington, across from McDonald's. Suspect male white, long hair, black shirt, blue jeans, pointing mini shotgun at vehicles. Code 3 incident 1511 RD 2081.
Upon arrival, the officers located the suspect at the northwest corner of 18th Street and Western Avenue. The suspect was holding an object which the officers believed to be a sawed-off shotgun and simulating firing at the air unit. The suspect was later identified as Roberto Gonzalez. As the officers exited their police vehicle, they immediately requested backup. The officers communicated with Gonzalez and gave him verbal commands to drop the gun, but he did not comply. A portion of this incident was captured on the responding officer's digital in-car video. Most marked vehicles assigned to patrol have a camera mounted inside, which activates when the emergency lights are turned on. The camera can also be manually activated. These digital in-car cameras have a buffer of video without audio. Upon activation, the camera goes back 1 minute and starts recording. Here is digital in-car video from the officers involved in this incident.
Head south to see what we see. Right there. Northwest corner. Oh shit. 2097. We have eyes in the suspect. Western. Respond. Northbound on Western from 18th.
A portion of this incident was captured on the responding officer's body-worn video. Body-worn video cameras are used by most officers assigned to field duties. They're worn at chest level and capture a general perspective within the line of sight from that angle. The angle of the camera prohibits viewers from seeing everything the officers saw and experienced. Upon activation, both audio and video will turn on. However, body-worn video cameras have a buffer of video without audio from the previous 2 minutes prior to activation. This feature is designed to capture incidents that occur suddenly where an officer doesn't immediately activate the camera. Here is body-worn video from the officers involved in the incident.
Hey, drop it! Drop it! Hey, drop it! Drop it! I got it. It's a pole. No. Hey, drop it! Fucking drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Hey, give him.
The officers continued to give verbal commands to Gonzalez to drop the gun. However, he did not comply. While still holding the object, which resembled a sawed-off shotgun, Gonzalez walked south away from the officers and stopped by the north wall of a building just west of Western.
Suspect still not complying with officer's demand, has not dropped the shotgun, now in the business, walking towards the middle of the street on 18th, just west of Western, walking away from officers now towards the south side of the street on 18th.
Gonzalez placed the object into his waistband and donned a jacket. In an effort to stop Gonzalez's actions and de-escalate the situation, the officers discharged 4 40mm rounds at him. The 40mm less lethal device fires a foam projectile round. The round strikes the person's body and is intended to cause pain. While there may be bruising, it is designed to distribute energy over a broad surface area and not penetrate the body. The primary target for this less lethal device is the navel or belt line. A portion of this incident was also captured on security footage from a nearby security camera.
Hey, grab a 40! Grab a 40! Grab a 40! Grab a 40! Hey, hit him with another 40. Hey, hit him with another 40. What's up, ready loaded? Hey, hit him with another 40. Get on the ground!
The foam rounds did not cause Gonzalez to drop the object. He retrieved the object from his waistband, pointed it at officers, appeared to be firing, and simulated recoil, resulting in an officer-involved shooting.
Hit him with another 40. Hit him with another 40.
Where's up, ready, loaded?
Hit him with another 40. Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Where's up and ready? 40, 40, 40!
Hey, he dropped it! Hey, he dropped it! He dropped it! Hey, grab it! Hey, get in the car! Hey, move up! Move up!
Here is additional body-worn video from the officers involved in this incident.
Everybody's standing outside, go back inside. You gotta stop it.
Gonzalez was struck by gunfire and taken into custody without further incident.
Okay, calmado.
The officers rendered medical aid to Gonzalez by applying a tourniquet until paramedics arrived. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Gonzalez to a local hospital to be treated for the gunshot wounds he sustained as a result of the officer-involved shooting. While there, medical staff determined that his injury would require further treatment and admitted him into the hospital. Investigators recovered a black metal pipe with a handle, resembling a sawed-off shotgun at scene, and booked it as evidence. Gonzalez was arrested and absentee booked for brandishing a replica firearm and a probation warrant violation. On June 9, 2025, the Los Angeles City Attorney's Office filed the following charges against Gonzalez: 2 counts of brandishing an imitation firearm and 1 count of resisting a peace officer. Roberto Gonzalez is a 37-year-old resident of Los Angeles.
In the next several months, the LAPD will continue to investigate and analyze this incident. We will continue to interview any new witnesses who may come forward and complete any necessary forensic tests. After the investigation is complete, our Critical Incident Review Division will forward their findings to the Chief of Police, who will make his recommendation to the Civilian Board of Police Commissioners. The board will evaluate the evidence to determine whether the officer's tactics, drawing and exhibiting a weapon, and use of deadly force in this instance met the high standards expected of all LAPD officers. Additionally, the Office of the Inspector General will conduct a parallel and independent review of the investigation and will provide its recommendations to the board. If you would like more information on how the LAPD investigates all serious uses of force, visit lapdonline.org, where you can find the LAPD's use of force policy and procedures. Thank you for taking the time to view this critical incident community briefing.